Oh, who is Ireland's enemy? Not Germany nor Spain, not Russia, France, nor Austria. They forged for her no chains, nor quenched her hearts, nor raised her homes, nor laid her altars low, nor sent her sons to tramp the hills amid the winter snow. Who murdered kingly Shane O'Neill, who poisoned Owen Roe, who struck Red Hugh O'Neill down, who filled our land with woe, by night and day 1,000 times in twice 400 years, till every blade of Irish grass was wet with blood and tears. Who spiked the heads of Irish priests on Dublin Castle's gate, who butchered helpless Irish babes, a lust for blood to sate, who I-dredged Irish maidenhood and tortured aged sires, and spread from Clare to Donegal the glare of midnight fires. Who scourged our land in '98, spread torment far and wide, till Ireland shrieked in woe and pain, and hell seemed fair beside. Who plied the pitch cap and the sword, the gibbet and the rack. Oh God, that we should ever fail to pay those devils back. Who slew the three in Manchester one grim November dawn, while round them howled sadistically the devil's cruel spawn. Who shattered many a Fenian mind in dungeons o'er the foam, and broke the loyal Fenian hearts that pined for them at home. Not Germany nor Austria, not Russia, France nor Spain, that robbed and reaved this land of ours and forged her heavy chains, but England of the wily words, a crafty treacherous foe. 'Twas England scourged our motherland, 'twas England laid her low. Rise up, O dead of Ireland, and rouse her living men. The chance will come to us at last to win our own again, to sweep the English enemy from hill and glen and bay, and in your name, O holy dead, our sacred debt to pay.